So today I want to talk a little bit about replacement plants and succession planting. Now, succession planting is when you keep planting all season long, whether it's out direct seeding or in seed trays, to keep your garden going. So there's lots of different ways that can be done. Once something has reached the end of its life cycle, then you plant the next thing, and that's succession planting. But we also sometimes have to have what I call, and it's just a variance on the word, which would be replacement planting. And really that is succession planting. But I'll give you the example of what I'm talking about, replacement, is this year we had a couple of issues. We had a few more insects than normal, and our cucumbers, for whatever reason, had some aphids on them there towards the end. And even though it was one of our biggest production years for cucumbers, they just ended abruptly. And my wife has gone in, trimmed them up. It's amazing. Some of them have made a comeback. But I'm going to give you a quick explanation of how we come in. We've got quite a bit of summer left as we're here at the end of July. We're going to be here in Zone 8, Central Texas. We'll have a good growing season that's going to go all the way into mid-September. So I'm going to show you something here on our growing tables where we go in and plant various things. These are some cucumbers that we put in the larger pots or the larger little containers. So once they get the right size, we can just directly plant them back in to replace those cucumbers that were eaten up. So it's just something that we do each year. We always keep this kind of as a reserve. And if you have those different plants for whatever reason, squash is a perfect example. Squash is one of those things that you can get squash bugs, and they will literally come in once you start to harvest and you start getting a good harvest, and all of a sudden you get the squash bugs, and they literally just devastate your yellow squash or your zucchini, and it's just a pain. So that's when we come in and make sure here in our on these tables where we do our propagation, we always keep a replacement group right back there. And these tables will be fairly filled up here soon as we move back into fall and we start planting those fall plants like the Swiss chards, um, like our lettuces and turnips and things. Now the turnips we do direct seed, but this propagation tables and propagation tunnel will get filled very fast. But as I turn around the camera here, here's some of the replacement zucchini that literally had to be replaced because the squash bugs just came in and just absolutely devastated them. My wife has put in about 10 new zucchini right along there, and they're really taking off and doing well. And hopefully we may have missed the cycle of the squash bug, so maybe we'll get a little bit past them. They are very tenacious and they will come in. I don't know where they come from. We started this farm out here 5 years ago, never saw a squash bug until we planted squash, and they had a field day and a way to find it. I know another farm that's about 10 miles north of us, and they literally one year just had to shut their production down on squash. They had so many problems with squash bugs. It was just a really bad issue. So that's it. That's one of the things that we do. It's just quick replacement. Once you start to see, again, the insects taking their toll, or you see things, there's nothing in the rule book that says, okay, you've got some summer left. During these longer days in summer, you get quicker germination and you can get those plants back in the ground within 10 to 15 days, and then maybe start getting a little bit of harvest within a month to get you into September. So that's really our method of succession and replacement. Hope that helps. Always our goal here at Whirlwind Family Farm is to take you further along in that gardening process, even if it's a little small backyard garden. I'm Jeff. We appreciate your time here at Whirlwind Family Farm. Blessings over you, your family, your garden, and always check out, we have another video right here that will take you further along in that process. Talk to you soon.